Hello students, this is the second problem under cash flow analysis. Ratan Limited had a profit of 17,50,000 for the year ended 31st March 2014 after considering the following. So in the first line itself, they have given you the net profit for the year ended 31st March 2014, which is 17,50,000. Then they have given you the additional information. Depreciation on building 1,30,000, depreciation on plant and machinery rupees 40,000, goodwill written off 25,000, loss on sale of machinery rupees 9,000. So these are the non-operating expenses. Okay, these are the non-operating expenses which you need to add it to the closing balance of profit and loss account. So in this problem they have given you the net profit. So you need to add all these amounts to the net profit. Following was the position of current assets and current liabilities of the company as on 31st March 2013 and 2014. So in the first column they have given you the different assets and different liabilities, and 31st March 2013 amounts and amounts as on 31st March 2014. So these are the items of opening balance, these are the amounts of opening balances, and these are the closing balances. So stock, bills receivable, cash, creditors, outstanding salary and bills payable are given. Now in this problem you need to divide the items into current assets and current liability. You should find out which are the items of current assets and current liability. So stock is a current asset, bills receivable is a current asset, cash is a current asset, creditor is a current liability, outstanding salary is a current liability, then bills payable is a current liability. Among the balances you need to find out how much has been increased and how much has been decreased with reference to current assets and current liabilities. Calculate cash flow from operating activities. So you need to calculate only operating cash flow from operating activities. Now in the stock balance, the opening balance is 70,000, closing balance is 87,000. So there is increase in the current asset, increase in the value of stock. So current asset has been increased. Bills receivable amount is 67,000 is the opening balance, 58,000 is the closing balance. So there is decrease in the current asset. So cash, opening balance was 60,000, closing balance is 75,000. But when we are preparing the cash flow from operating activities, we do not consider the cash and cash equivalents. So we are not considering the cash amount, the difference in the cash amount in the calculation of operating profit. Creditors, 68,000 is the opening balance, 77,000 was the closing balance. So there is increase in the current liability. Outstanding salary, opening balance was 7,000, closing balance was 4,000. So there is decrease. Bills payable, opening balance was 43,000, closing balance is 29,000. So there will be a decrease in the bills payable. It means decrease in the current liability. So when you are doing the solution, you need to write the name of the enterprise, that is Ratan Limited. Statement showing cash from operation. You need to maintain 3 columns. First column is particular, then the rest of the 2 columns will be columns for amounts. Closing balance of profit and loss account as on 31st March 2014. So that is given in the first line, that is 17,50,000 50,000. Closing balance of profit and loss account on 31st March 2014, 17,50,000. Add non-operating and non-cash expenses. So these are the items that are given in the problem: depreciation on building, depreciation on plant and machinery, goodwill written off, loss on sale of machinery. So you need to write these 4 items. The total comes to 2,04,000. So you need to add it to the closing balance, and you should write the total in the outer column, that is 19,54,000. Less non-operating and non-cash income. So there is no non-operating and non-cash income given in the problem, so it is nil. The total is 19,54,000 itself. Less opening balance of profit and loss account. So in this problem they have not given you separately, that is the opening and closing balances are not given. Instead of that, they have given you the net profit itself. So there is no opening profit and loss account balance, so it is also nil. So cash profit from operating activities will be 19,54,000. Add decrease in current asset, increase in current liability. So now in the problem we should search which current asset has been decreased, and which current liability has been increased. So bills receivable has been decreased, isn't it? Bills receivable. Then which current liability has been increased? Creditors. So you are having decrease in the current liability, one item. So decrease in the current asset, one item, and increase in the current liability, one item. So bills receivable, opening balance was 67,000, closing balance is 58,000. So there is decrease of 9,000 rupees. So there is decrease of 9,000 rupees. Then increase in current liability, opening balance was 68,000, closing balance of creditor was 77,000. So there is increase of 9,000 rupees. You need to add these two amounts, which comes to 18,000. So 19,54,000 plus 18,000, the total is 19,72,000. 19,72,000. From this you need to deduct increase in current asset and decrease in current liability. So stock has been increased. Then decrease in the current liability is outstanding salary and bills payable. So under increase in current asset, stock, and under decrease in current liability we are having outstanding salary and bills payable. So we need to consider the difference amount, how much has been decreased. The total comes to 34,000. So from 19,72,000 we need to deduct the amount, that is 19,72,000 minus 34,000. So cash flow from operation will be 19,38,000. 19,38,000. Yeah, thank you students.